Hello, what's up, and welcome back to our class. And today, our topic is ethical levels of human existence. So, itong ethical levels of human existence, sobrang hindi siya sobrang haba, pero kailangan nating tingnan ulit or kailangan nating italakay ulit kasi ito po yung nakalagay doon sa ating silabay sa ethics. That when we talk about ethics, its concern is or yung kanyang yung saklaw niya is yun yung ethical levels of human existence. So here we will talk about each of the level para po alam natin kung ano po yung saklaw ng ethics or sa pag-aaral ng ethics. So gaya nga ng sinabi ko, in our syllabi we can actually learn that ethics is concerned about the ethical levels of human existence. So here we will talk about it. So just an overview, first of all, para meron tayong kamalayan ano ba yung pag-aralan natin. And the main focus of this module or this lesson is to discuss the levels of human existence on a personal, societal, and environmental. Since ethical issues happen in these three levels, we should be able to use our reflection or reasoning to address them carefully. Okay? As a human persons, we possess reason and use them to think, analyze, at saka to evaluate those ethical issues that we can find in the ethical levels of human existence in connection to our society. We can know the truth, therefore, it is you who are tasked to analyze and evaluate these ethical issues. Ayan, so dito po ang atin pong matutunan dapat at the end is to identify the ethical dimension of human life. Then, dapat ma-determine natin yung ethical issues on personal, societal, and environmental levels, and then apply ethical reasoning in solving the ethical issues presented. Okay, now let's start with the first level of human existence, which is in the personal level. So, sinasabi dito, ethics happens in a personal level, and mostly in the personal level because doon naman talaga nag-uumpisa yung lahat. Our interaction with other people, yung interpersonal relationship with other people. And when we talk about personal level, it is about how you treat yourself and others. Okay? Paano mo itrato ang sarili mo at paano mo itrato ang iba. By treating yourself, questions whether suicide, drug abuse, or other actions that harm the self is considered as morally correct or not. So dito, ang dami po nating mga moral issues na nasa level na nito, okay? Yung mga sinasabi po dito, yun po yung isa sa mga halimbawa ng mga issues na matatagpuan natin in a personal level. So, how about treating others is in the realm of our relationships or our behavior towards others? Do we treat them with respect and dignity or we use them as an object of our interest? So, dito, pinag-uusapan natin yung mga ito, okay? Pag sinabi kasi natin personal level, it is, our relationship or how we treat ourselves and others as well. Ang pangalawa dito ay yung societal level. Okay, minsan kasi yung ating kapag nagiging sobra na or rampant na yung nangyayari sa personal level, yung issues in the personal level, nagiging societal na rin siya eh. For example, ngayon, meron tayong issue about, yung paggagamit ng droga, right? These issues might be in a personal level, like misusing drugs, really moral for me or not. or do I treat myself good when I use this yung ipanagbabawal na gamot or not. But you know, if it is rampant at marami nang gumawa nito, and I think nagiging societal issue na rin siya, right? And in our society, ang dami pong mga moral issues na kinakaharap natin. Like corruption, poverty, you know, the problem when it comes to human rights. Ang dami din po dyang mga issues like discriminations. So, marami po tayong makikita na societal issues. So, dito po sa picture nito na to, makikita natin yan, okay? Yung mga nagrally, okay, diba? Meron silang pinaglalaban. So, when we talk about societal level, these are ethical, societal concerns that affect our society in general. So, yun. Mini-mention ko yung corruption, poverty, or any other issues actually that our society faces that happen at the societal level. What are the social issues that happen in your community today? Are there any social issues that happen in our barangay, in our town, in our city, province, whole country, or the world in general? And then, ang pinaka po dito na level is yung environmental level. Before kasi hindi ito pinagtutuunan ng pansin, pero sa ngayon kasi yung threat ng global warming and environmental degradation, okay, in the 21st century, it is no longer hindi na siya dapat hindi isang alang-alang kasi ang napakalaki na po ng ating problema when it comes to environment, like global warming, deforestation, and it should be given attention. So, are we taking care of our environment and other non-human species or none? So, ngayon, ang ethics po is extended na to the non-human beings because they have also lives, okay? Meron din silang buhay. And it is also very important to take care of our environment for the next generation. Kaya nga, meron na tayong environmental ethics ngayon, okay? May mga philosophers na rin na they actually wrote about animal rights and any other ethics that has something to do with the environment. Kasi ang dami na rin pong mga species na they are endangered and others were actually nawawala na talaga siya. Okay? But there's also another level which is called cultural level. Of course, but when we talk about cultural, I think medyo na siya sa societal kasi it's still, in the context of the society, okay? And doon sa society, andun naman yung culture in connection with that. Okay, and so this is not a very long presentation, but I think it is important to go back to these ethical levels para po pag dating later on sa ating pag-aaral ng ethics, ito yung malalaman din natin yung saklaw, okay? So kung titingnan natin, napaka-broad ng saklaw po ng ethics or ng scope nito. So for our activity, so I want you to choose ethical issues or issues, one for personal level, one for societal, and one for environmental. Then after that, you have to analyze the situation and provide answers why they are ethical issues. So, mas maganda siguro yung kasi experiential lang ethics, kailangan titingnan natin yung mga nangyayari sa ating lipunan, sa ating komunidad, even yung mga nabalitaan natin. Kasi na recent siya o nangyayari ngayon para po mas makaka-relate tayo and we are also studying through the lens of societal and yung mga nangyayari sa ating lipunan at maganda yon para ma-address din natin. So, okay, thank you so much for listening and have a good day to all. You may also use the comment sections to to provide or to give your ideas about the topic, and see you next time. Okay, thank you so much.